We as a company have certainly been thrilled with our successes with Wrenchway. I will say, Wrenchway does a phenomenal job of the pages and the presentation. But our stores that are doing better are stores that become a lot more active in the promotion of their own page. Sometimes I pull my hair out with some stores that really think you just plug and play. It's just a great tool to augment your technician recruiting, and I think as long as you're promoting it and getting the word out there that page is there, combining it with some of your other things to add the link to the page, we've seen some great successes. We've also started to create our own signage within the stores with those QR codes on it that take the candidate right to the page. And again, that protects their anonymity. So I think that's an important thing, especially with seasoned techs.